Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is January 15, 2025 and it's 3:36 ng hapon dito sa amin. So ano nga ba yung ginawa namin after namin ma-decline yung adjustment of status na sinubmit namin March 28, 2024. Ayan. And nagbayad kami ng $24.05 that time. Hindi ko lang alam kung magkano na ngayon. And it's gonna go to the Chicago lockbox. And supposed to be, it was received on March 30, 2024. And then, around April 16, 2024, naka-receive yung asawa ko ng notification na dinecline ng bank niya yung charge coming from USAS. So, to answer the question kung ano yung mga ginawa namin, I emailed the USAS and tinanong ko if pwede ba nilang i-charge ulit yung card ng asawa ko. And apparently, nag-reply sila. So, ito yung reply nila sa amin. It says, "Thank you for contacting Lockbox Support. You should receive response within 30 business days if your submission is not related to one of the scenarios listed below." So, hindi ko na siya babasahin yung kabuuan. But just to sum up, wala kaming nakuhang sagot if pwede ba nilang i-charge. So, ang ginawa ko is tumawag ako sa USAS. And mind you guys, hindi madaling makakuha ng agent nakakausap sa'yo. So, first attempt, sabi niya is hindi na daw nila yun ma-charge. So, tinatanong namin kung ano yung reason. Sabi niya, wala daw siyang may bibigay na reason. So, hindi kami na-satisfied. Tumawag uli ako. And may nakausap ako na other agent, and ang sabi niya, the reason why hindi na nila ma-charge yung card is because one time lang nilang ginagawa yung pag-charge, and once na na-open nila yung packet mo and kinuha na nila yung card information, if yun yung mode of payment, one time na i-charge nila yun, if hindi na go through, sin-shred na nila yung papers na may card information or bank information. Kaya ang sabi niya, we have no other way kundi ibabalik nila sa amin yung lahat ng mga papeles and kailangan naming umulit sa pag-a-apply. And then,